Common phrasal verbs with put. Listen and repeat. Put away. Put away. It means put someone in prison. Examples: the judge put him away for 10 years for robbery. If you're guilty, the judge is going to put you away. Put back. Put back. It means postpone. Examples: the meeting has been put back until July the 17th. The meeting has been put back to next Thursday. Put by. Put by. It means save for the future. Examples: I try to put some money by every month for summer. We're trying to put a little by each month for a new car. Put down. Put down. It means kill an animal because it is old or sick. Examples: he had his dog put down because it was in a lot of pain. I can't believe they put down my cat. Do you agree with putting animals down? Comment below. Put down for. Put down for. It means put someone's name on a list. Examples: the salesman put me down for one of the new cars. Don't forget to put her down for the house. Put out. Put out. It means stop a fire. Examples: he put out his cigarette before entering the building. Put out the fire before leaving the garden. Put forward. Put forward. It means propose or suggest. Examples: she put forward a plan to cut costs. Her name was put forward for the lead role in the play. Put in. Put in. It means install. Examples: we decided to have a new bathroom put in. They had to put in a whole new central heating system. Put in for. Put in for. It means make a request. Examples: he put in for a transfer to the new branch. I put in for a better position in my workplace. Put off. Put off. It means postpone. Examples: the concert's been put off until next month. I can't believe he put off the meeting again. Put on. Put on. It means get fat. Examples: he's put on a lot of weight since he gave up smoking. I put on 3 kilograms. I should go on a diet. Put over. Put over. It means successfully execute. Examples: did you feel that you managed to put over your idea? He puts over the message clearly and simply. Put through. Put through. It means connect someone by phone. Examples: could you put me through to extension 259, please? Could you put me through to Eddie? Put together. Put together. It means assemble. Examples: I put together the bookcase I bought. I can't work out how to put this table together. Put towards. Put towards. It means make a financial contribution. Examples: she put $250 towards the cost of the repairs. Alex put the money towards a trip to Australia. Put up. Put up. It means display or erect. Examples: can I put up some posters? The shops have started to put up Christmas decorations. Put up to. Put up to. It means encourage someone to do something. Examples: his friends put him up to stealing it. Did Shirley put you up to this? Put up with. Put up with. It means tolerate. Examples: I can't put up with my neighbor's noise any longer. They had to put up with many hardships. If you have any questions, comment below. For other phrasal verb videos, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.